Okay, so today's the day some of you have been waiting for. I'm going to draw the winner of the Graff cutting disc that I did a review on last week. I've been using it all week and it's really good. I'm really impressed with it. It takes a bit of getting used to because it doesn't handle like a traditional cutting disc. But all in all, I really like it, especially for thin stuff. For thin sheet metal, it's brilliant. It will cut thicker stuff than they suggest, but I guess if you do a lot of it, it'll overheat it and wear it out. But so far, so good. So let's get on with the draw. Let's see who the lucky winner is. Okay, so I found this random YouTube comment picker. So all I've got to do is put the URL of the video in here, which is what we'll do now. Let's go and just copy the link and then paste it into the appropriate box. And then you can also, once I've done that, filter out people who don't want to win by using the word win, which is why I asked you to put it in there, so I only choose from people who actually want to win it. Now there's 89 individual people who actually want to win it. So let's press the button and see what happens. Good luck to everybody. Terry Batley, you're a winner. Congratulations, Terry. Commiserations to everyone else who entered. Get in touch with me on my about page is my email address, but I'll also put it at the end of this video. Thanks a lot. We'll catch you on the next one.